How to convert a Canva presentation into Google Slides. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'll show you how you can easily convert your Canva presentation into Google Slides. So first things first, go ahead and open up your Canva presentation and you'll see share icon on the top right corner. Tap on it. You'll need to tap on download and make sure the file type is set to PPTX, that is the Microsoft PowerPoint document. And then make sure you select all the pages and hit download. Now, wait for the presentation to be downloaded, and once it has been downloaded, open up a new tab and then search for Google Slides. Go ahead and open it and then tap on sign in. You will be redirected to a page like this and you will see a file icon here. This is the file picker. Open it up and then tap on upload. Browse, go to downloads, and here you'll find the presentation that you downloaded from Canva. You just have to tap on it and it will start uploading, and then you'll need to wait for it to upload. And there you go. Now your Canva presentation has opened up in Google Slides. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.